Good morning, children. Today we are going to start the fifth chapter of EVS for class 5th. So, open page number 41 in your EVS textbook. Open page number 41, chapter number 5, and the name of our chapter is Dignity of Labor. Chapter name is Dignity of Labor. So, what is mean by dignity? It means the quality of being worthy of honor or respect. Okay, now what do you mean by term dignity of labor? That means all the people should be treated equally and all the jobs they do should be respective. Okay, so in this chapter we shall read about the three main topics: dignity of labor, domestic helpers, and the measures taken by the government. So let's start with the warm-up exercise. Make a scrapbook. Write the names of occupations of 10 people who do some work for you. Write a few lines about them. Also take their pictures and paste in your scrapbook. This is a scrapbook work. We will do this activity in our vacations. Okay, so skip this now. Let's start our main content. People do different kinds of jobs to make a living. Any job that they do to earn money is called an occupation, employment, or a profession. People around us work in different positions and capacities. It means, first of all, any work done to earn money is called an occupation, and the people do different types of jobs to earn their living, to earn their money in different positions and their capacities. Okay, now let us read about some of them. So here is our first topic: domestic helpers. What is mean by domestic helpers? What are domestic helpers? So domestic helpers who help us in our daily lives and make a life comfortable. Okay, so let us go to Sahil's house and meet the people who help him by doing different kinds of work for his family and the neighborhood. Let us go to Sahil's house. Means, see in this picture, this is Sahil's family. So in this picture, Sahil's family at the breakfast table enjoying food cooked by their domestic help, Bimla. The food cooked by Bimla, and Bimla is Sahil's domestic helper. Bimla is a domestic help. She washes utensils and mops the floor. She also cooks food for Sahil's family. Bimla is a domestic helper and she washes utensils and mops the floor in the Sahil's house. Also she cooks food for Sahil's family. Okay, now turn over the page. Open page number 42. See, Jayaprakash is a garbage collector and disposer. He cleans the streets and takes away the household garbage. See in this picture, he is Jayaprakash, and Jayaprakash is a garbage collector and disposer, and his work is to clean the streets and take away the household garbage. Now Vijay is a hawker. He sells fruits and vegetables. hawker. The hawker sells fruits, vegetables, etc. Karan is the family gardener. He makes sure that the garden of Sahil's house looks beautiful always. Karan is the family gardener and he makes sure that the garden of Sahil's house looks beautiful always. Okay, now Jeet is the milkman who delivers milk every morning. Ramu is a washerman. He washes and iron clothes. So they all are domestic helpers. Okay. Services given by these people are required by Sahil's family to have a clean and comfortable daily life. Means the services given by the domestic helpers who work in Sahil's house, they give a very comfortable and clean everyday life to his family, his or his family. Okay. Unfortunately, some jobs in our society, such as sweeping, collecting garbage, etc., are treated as lowly or considered menial. What is mean by menial? Menial means a job considered to be of very low status. So unfortunately, some jobs in our society like garbage collector, sweeping, collecting garbage, etc., are treated as low status, treated as to be low status. People who do these jobs are often ignored by most people and treated with disrespect. The people who do these types of jobs like a garbage collector, disposer, okay, etc., they often ignored by other people in the society and treated very disrespect. In earlier times, some of them were even considered untouchables and were deprived of basic facilities such as taking water from a shared source and visiting temples. Means in earlier times, in the old times, some of them people were even considered untouchables. What is mean by untouchables? It means a person whose touch was considered impure. It was an unfair social practice and now this is punishable by law. So in the earlier time, some of them were even considered untouchables and were deprived of basic facilities such as taking water from a shared source and visiting temples. But this is a very unfair practice of that time, right? In our society, each and every people does some kind of work, but all of them does not do same kind of work. We need the cooperation of each other. Remember this, we need the cooperation of each other. Alone we cannot do or achieve anything. Also, we should not consider any job as high or low. Each and every work is respective and should be respected. We should remember this every time throughout our whole life. Got it? Now, next line is Mahatma Gandhi fought against untouchability throughout his life and worked for the upliftment of the people who were treated unequally. Do you know who were Mahatma Gandhi? Mahatma Gandhi was a freedom fighter, and he is our nation father, father of nation. Okay, he strongly believed and supported to dignity of labor. He considered each and every work as worship. Work as worship. Okay, now come to the next page. He believed in equality of all and freedom of occupation. He believed that one should take pride in whatever work one does. Means he strongly believed in work is worship, and he believed that one should take pride in whatever work one does. He always taught to everyone that whatever you do, you will give your best in your work. Always pride in your work, whatever you do. Okay, now come to our next heading, dignity of labor. Most people have to work very hard to earn a living. Some occupations require special skills and training, while others require manual labor. All occupations should be treated with respect. It means most people have to work very hard to earn a living. Like a auto driver, a rickshaw driver, right? He worked very hard to earn money, earn a living. So some occupations require special skills and training. Some occupations require special skills and training, like doctors, engineers, architects, etc. But some are manual labor. Manual labor means those laborers who need to guide someone, who need to practice of the job. So all occupations should be treated with respect. It means each and every work should be respected. Okay, now here is a box given. Did you know May 1 is celebrated as Labor Day every year all over the world? May 1 is celebrated as Labor Day every year all over the world. It celebrates the achievement of workers. So keep it remember that May 1st is celebrated as Labor Day. Okay. Now every person who works to earn a living should be respected for her or his contribution to society. It is important to instill a sense of confidence, self-worth, and pride in the worker. No occupation should be looked down upon. Without the services rendered by occupations considered unclean, the smooth running of our lives is impossible. Okay, so as I told, we need the cooperation of each other. Alone we cannot do or achieve anything in our life. Okay, in our society each and every people does some kind of work, but all of them doesn't do same kind of work. So no work is superior or inferior in itself, and it is absolutely wrong to consider any work as high or low. So therefore a work itself be a dignity. Someone should not feel that some other job is better than his or her job. Also, it is important to recognize self-worth can increase you engagement at work, leading to higher productivity and improve your skills. People who value their worth tend to experience better focus and can find work more fulfilling. Okay, hope you got it. Now come to the next page number 44. Measures taken by the government. After independence, the government took various measures to provide a good education and jobs to the underprivileged. What is meant by underprivileged? Not having as many advantages or opportunities as most other people. So, laws have been made to protect their fundamental rights. Anybody who treats them badly can be punished for doing so, and the practice of untouchability is now a punishable offense. Means if anybody tries to treat like menial or badly, so he or she should be punished by law, according to the law. And the government, after independence, the government took various or good decision for underprivileged. Okay, now next, it is our duty as future citizens to put an end to such unfair social practices. We should respect people from all kinds of occupations. People who work for us should be treated with respect and dignity, because we cannot manage our daily activities smoothly without their help. Okay, this is our duty. So we never be ashamed of any kind of the work doing by anybody. Always respect our work and the work of others people. Hope you understood this chapter very well. Do the reading of this chapter once again. Okay, thank you.